Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing the Glossybox June beauty box, and yeah, before I get started, if you are new to my channel then hit the subscribe button down below and smash the like button if you like this unboxing, and if you would love to support my channel then you can click the thanks button down below. That will just help to get me new products for my channel to review for you, even maybe upgrade my equipment, and just yeah, that would really help out my channel. It would help me out a lot. So if you do click the thanks button, then thank you so much. I really appreciate it. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing. This month's glossy box is the original pink classic box, like so, and we get this little QR code inside which tells us about the products inside. So when we scan this with our phone, it brings up like the little leaflet. It's now a digital leaflet, and it tells us all about the products inside, how much they're worth and all that kind of stuff. There's 5 beauty products inside this month's box, and the first thing we get here is a little bronzer here, which I'm excited to use, from Ciati. This is the bamboo bronzer. This is what it looks like right here. That's the packaging for it there. Says Ciati on it, and then it's like that inside. So I hope you can see, but there's like little stars imprinted in the powder there, and I think it's kind of like, I'm not sure if this is a matte bronzer or, yeah, it looks matte. I thought it had some shimmer bits in it there, but when I'm swatching it, it doesn't look like there's any glitter in it, which is good because I do prefer a matte bronzer. Like, that's it right there. That looks like a pretty shade. Like, it's quite a warm shade, but it looks quite nice. And the powder is very, very soft. It's very smooth, very, very soft. Like, I don't know if it would be possible to apply any more bronzer on my face today because I have quite a bit on just now. But do you know what? This is like a wee tiny pan. So let's just, like, oh, I don't know where to apply this. I really don't want to mess up my current makeup, but I'll apply a little bit and see what happens. This is not the type of brush I would use for bronzer, but see, it's a little teeny pan. I thought I would just tap a little bit of this on there. And actually I can see that on my cheeks there. It's a little bit kind of warmer just here. It's quite cute actually. Like, yeah, that looks nice. So yeah, I'm excited to actually use this bronzer like by itself. Like, obviously I have a bunch of other bronzing products on this now, so using this by itself would be quite nice, but so far it looks nice. It feels very velvety, kind of soft and smooth. Like, it feels like a really nice bronzer actually. Like, I'm excited about that. It's in the shade Palm Island. Next thing inside the box is this Dr. Eve Ruth. I think it's Dr. Eve Ruth, something like that. It's a vitamin C something. I'm just going to tell you about it in a second. A vitamin C hyaluronic acid night moisturizer. Okay, so I have never seen this brand before. It says it's a limited edition. Okay, so the cream is, I don't really, oh yeah, I can smell it now. I was going to say I don't really smell anything from it, but I do. I smell lemon, something citrusy from this. Like, obviously it's vitamin C in it, so it's going to have like a lemony, orangey, citrusy scent to it. Yeah, very kind of lemony. That's actually really nice. It's a really nice scented moisturizer. I've never used this brand before, so it'll be interesting to see how it goes. So far it smells and it feels nice. It's a little bit of a thicker moisturizer, but like, it smells really lovely, so I'm excited to use that. Oh, and then the next thing we get here is a little soap from Green Frog Botanics. So that's what it looks like right there, and I'm actually liking the sound of this because it's lemongrass, and I love lemongrass. Like, it's so lovely. Like, I love it in Thai food. Like, it's so beautiful. Like, I love it. It's delicious. So yeah, I love lemongrass scented things as well, so it'll be interesting to see how this goes. Like, I feel like I can smell it. Like, I feel like I can smell it a little bit through the packaging there. But this would actually be quite a nice little soap to take away with you on holiday or whatever. Like, I know a lot of the places, especially where I've been, like hotels give you like soaps and things like that. But like, if you're going somewhere like maybe like an apartment or something like that, then a wee mini soap list would be probably quite nice. Very, very lightweight as well. So it says it's 100%, it uses 100% vegetable fats, and it's 90% natural ingredients, which is really good. So yeah, this sounds like a really nice little soap, vegan, cruelty free and all that as well, carbon neutral product too. So yeah, excited to give that a go. Lemongrass is such a lovely scent. Next thing inside is this Leocetin hand cream. That's it right there. Yep, it says that this has got 20% shea butter inside it, and it's also a hand cream that's good for dry skin. Okay, so that'll be really nice to try out. And then the next time we get inside, I'm looking forward to using, and it's from Starskin, one of my favourite mask brands. So it's Starskin VIP gold mask eye masks. So these are revitalizing gold foil eye masks. I love Starskin's eye masks, lip masks, like I do them quite regularly. I really do enjoy them, so I'm really happy to have like these ones. I don't think I've tried the gold ones before. I've tried like the ones that are in like the pink packaging. They are really great, and the white packaging, the white and the pink packaging, beautiful mass products, but I don't think I've tried the gold one yet, so it'll be interesting to see how this collection goes. Yeah, that is the next thing that we get inside the box. And yeah, that's everything for this month's beauty box. And there's a couple of really nice products in here. Like I'm loving like the eye mask. I'm excited about the little soap here. The Ciate bronzer looks really nice. Like so far it looks really nice. It feels lovely. Like the powder feels lovely. It's went nice on my cheeks. Of course, it'll be better to try it when I don't have other bronzers on my cheeks already, and the moisturizer will be quite nice to try out. So I would love to know your thoughts on this month's box. Yeah, it's quite a nice box, quite a decent box. Yeah, quite a decent box, I would say. But yeah, that is everything. If you're interested in Glossybox and signing up for a subscription, then I will leave a link to the box down below in the description box for you. I also have a discount code where you can get money off your subscription plan as well. So yeah, that is it for this unboxing, guys. I really hope you liked and enjoyed it. If you did, give the video a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below if you haven't already, and I'll speak to you very soon in my next video. Bye.